This budget PC build is tailored for Fortnite players that are on a tight budget, aiming to deliver a smooth gaming experience for less than $450. I will link to all the parts mentioned in this video in the description below, but I can't guarantee that the prices will stay the same. The CPU for this build is the AMD Ryzen 5 8600G. The Ryzen 5 8600G is an excellent choice for a budget Fortnite build because it combines a capable 6-core CPU with integrated Radeon 760M graphics. This APU can handle Fortnite at 1080p on lower settings, making it ideal for those not wanting to invest in a separate GPU. Its efficiency and performance balance make it perfect for the cost-effective gaming experience. The motherboard is the MSI Pro A620ME Micro ATX. This motherboard is selected for its affordability while still being compatible with the Ryzen 5 8600G. It supports a DDR5 memory and PCIe 4.0, which matches well with the SSD for faster load times. The Micro ATX form factor also means a smaller, space-saving case can be used, keeping the cost down. The memory is Team Group Elite Plus 16 gigs of DDR5 6000 MHz speed RAM. Opting for 16 gigs of DDR5 6000 speed RAM provides ample memory for Fortnite, ensuring smooth gameplay without stutters. DDR5 at this speed is future-proof and performs well with the Ryzen 5 8600G. Choosing a single stick gives the option to upgrade to dual channel later for even better performance. The storage for this build is going to be a Kingston NV2 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD. This SSD offers fast loading times for Fortnite, which is crucial for jumping straight into matches. With 1TB, there's plenty of space for games, updates, and other applications. Its PCIe 4.0 interface provides speeds at a budget price, enhancing the overall system responsiveness. The case for this build is the Cooler Master Masterbox Q300L Micro ATX Mini Tower case. This case is chosen for its balance of size, price, functionality, and it fits the Micro ATX motherboard with good airflow, which is essential for keeping the system cool during extended gaming sessions. Its compact size also keeps the build costs down while maintaining room for future upgrades. And finally, for the power supply, we have the Thermaltake Tough Power GX2. This is a 600 watt 80 plus gold certified ATX power supply. A 600 watt power supply is more than sufficient for this build, even considering potential GPU upgrades. The 80 plus gold certification ensures energy efficiency, which is great for this budget build. This power supply from Thermaltake provides reliability and enough power headroom in your system without breaking the bank. For right around $434 currently, this setup is optimized for running Fortnite efficiently on a budget focused on components that bring the best balance of performance to cost without the need for a dedicated graphics card. I will link to all the parts mentioned in this video in the description below, but again, I can't guarantee that the prices will stay the same. And as always, thanks for watching.